Hello everyone, and welcome to Burlington Humane. Today, we are featuring Budgie and Sparrow. Budgie and Sparrow are two precious 9-month-old sisters with hearts full of love. They came to Burlington Humane as strays in May and are now eagerly waiting to find their forever home. These beautiful girls share a special bond and are incredibly affectionate, especially with each other. Bringing them into your life means welcoming double the love, joy, and companionship. They're ready to fill your home with warmth and happiness. That's Budgie and Sparrow.